Exporting expenses from QuickBooks Online can feel heavy during month-end close, audit requests, or cleanup, especially when you need a clean Excel file you can filter and review. In this video, I'll show you how to export expenses quickly from QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt, so you can get the exact data you need in Excel or CSV in minutes. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. Approve the connection and you land SaasAnt Dashboard. After logging in and connecting your QuickBooks company, click Download. On the Filter and Export page, choose Expenses from the dropdown. Next, select your date type. Search by transaction date. Use this for the actual expense date for accounting review. Search by created date. Use this to see expenses added during a specific period. Search by last updated date. Use this to catch expenses that were recently edited. Set your date range, then choose a template. You can use the default simple mapping or create your own template using Add New Template to control which fields are exported. If needed, open Advanced Options. Use Total Amount to filter expenses by value range, from amount to to amount. Use Reference Number to pull a specific expense reference number when you are answering audit or client questions. Turn Detailed Report Multi-Lines on to export detailed lines, or leave it off for a simple one line per expense export. Click Search to load the expense records based on the filters you applied. Review the results, select what you need, and click Download. Choose CSV for a simple file or XLSX for Excel, then your export is ready for cleanup, review, audit support, or sharing with your client or advisor. Start with the free trial to export expenses faster using better filters and reusable templates without pulling multiple reports inside QuickBooks.